In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom URL for your website. Once your website is ready, publish it to make it live. For example, in Google Sites, you can do this by clicking the Publish button. Make sure the viewing setup is correct by clicking the Share with Others icon. In the pop-up window, go to General Access Settings. For the published site, choose Public so that anyone on the internet can find and view your website. For draft, you may allow anyone in your domain with a link to edit the website. You can keep this set to Restricted if you want to be the only editor. Click Done when finished. Next, copy the published site link. Sign in to the Google Admin Console using an administrator account. If you're not using an admin account, you won't be able to access the console. Go to Apps, Google Workspace, Sites. Then click Custom URL from the menu. On this page, click the plus icon or Add Custom URL. In the pop-up window, Step 1, paste the copied published site link, remove /home at the end and https:// at the beginning. Click Continue. Step 2, choose a custom URL from your verified domains. Enter www before your domain name, then click Continue. Step 3, you'll be asked to set up a CNAME record with your domain host. Follow the instructions shown to complete this setup. Once done, your custom URL will appear here. The Google Sites link will be displayed and the status will show pending. This may take up to 24 hours but usually updates sooner. Now, sign in to your domain host. In my case, I purchased the domain from Squarespace. Go to the Domains tab, select your domain, and click DNS, then DNS Settings. Click Add Record and verify your administrator access if prompted. For the record details, enter www in host, CNAME for type, 1 hour for TTL, and for alias data or destination, enter ghs.googlehosted.com. Click Save. Additionally, you can add records so that even if users don't include www in your URL, your website will still load properly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom URL for your website. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.